Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can follow a channel on Discord. So if you have your own server and you want to be updated about something from another server, from another Discord server, then you can follow a certain channel that allows to do so. So for instance, I'm gonna go to the Minecraft Discord server, and then over here there are game announcement channel in different languages. So you are allowed to follow a channel as long as this is the announcement channel, and announcement channels have this icon over here before their channel names instead of the default hashtag. So if you hover over this icon, you will see that it says announcement, and these types of channel can be followed. So let's say I want to follow okay, it's lagged for a second. Okay, let's say that I want to follow this channel. All I need to do is go at the top over here where you can see the channel name as well, and here you will find the follow button. If you click on it, then you can decide to which server you want to send the updates, and as well to which channel of that server. So let's say I want to send it to memes on my Genshin Apps tutorials server, and then I'm gonna click follow. And that's pretty much it. Now, if anything new happens on that channel, I will receive the information from that channel over here in the selected channel. If you want to manage the channels that you follow on your server, you can go to the server settings over here. So click on the server name at the top and then go to server settings and then go to integrations. Over here you will find channels followed. So let's click view channels, and here you will find all the servers that you follow or the channels of the servers that you follow. So I have this channel that I just have starting following. I'm gonna click over here and then I can press unfollow in order to cancel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.